Hello everyone. I hope you're all having a delightful day today. I am unfortunately kind of sick with a cold, but I'm on like day 6 of this cold and I really want to film something. So I'm gonna ask you to please avoid looking at my red and peeling nose from blowing my nose so much, but I am really excited to talk to you guys about my updates for this particular project pan. If you are new to my channel, hi! I'm so delighted that you are here. And if you're wondering what a project pan is, so I gotta catch my breath. If you're wondering what a project pan is, this is a project to use up my makeup products. And this particular style of project pan, which is like a rolling style where you finish something, then pull something else in. This and the hashtag, this was started by Kat and Haley. I have them linked down in the description box. And if you're looking for other people who are doing this type of project, you can click on the hashtag and they will be there. I do have a wonderful glass of tea here comforting me. This is a rose black tea from this brand called Art of Tea. And I know I featured this with you guys before because this is the only rose flavored tea I've ever tried that I actually like. I would recommend it if you like rose. Okay, so I always like to begin with empties. I only have one, and this is one I knew I would have. This is a little mini lip gloss from Tower 28. So sad that this is gone, but also it feels good to use up a product. I adore this. I really hope that they come out with a set of minis again like this year. If they do, I will absolutely be purchasing it. I love these little guys. But this is my only empty, so let's move on into the rest of my updates. The sunscreen that I've been working on is this one from La Roche-Posay. This is the Anthelios Clear Skin Dry Touch Sunscreen, and I have made really significant progress on this. I've used it on my face, I use it on the back of my hands, and I think that this will probably be an empty for next month. I'm really pleased with the progress on this one because you guys know this isn't my favorite sunscreen. It does tend to pill, which is odd for a La Roche-Posay product, but in any case, I'm getting through it, and I do think this will not take too much more to finish. The primer I'm working on is this one from L'Oreal. This is the Magic Perfecting Base. I'll put up a picture of what it looked like last time, and then also the weight difference from last time. I want you guys to know I'm editing out a lot of coughing. I don't think I've been talking much the past few days. But anyway, I'm happy with the progress on this. Since I've hit the bottom of the jar, I've been able to see a difference in expanding that little pan there on the bottom. But there's still a lot of product left in this, and there's no way I'll be able to finish it by the end of the year, but I am happy to continue working on it. The concealer I'm working on is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I was finally able to mark it. I've been storing it upright to hopefully get some windowing, and I did, so hooray. That's about where I am. So I have a lot of product left in this, and I am wearing a little bit of this under my under eyes today. I like this product. I will put up on the screen the weight difference for this one. This is going to be a long haul product, and you'll probably see it carrying over into next year. I don't think there's any way I can finish it this year, but I will continue updating you on this every month. Working on concealers like this, it really keeps me from buying all the concealers I want to try because I know how long it takes me to finish them. But happily, it's not a problem since I do like working on this one. It's a good concealer. A product I feel like I'm closing in on finishing is this one from Missha. This is the BB cream, the Perfect Cover BB cream. I have the shade number 21. I was able to make a new mark right there, and whenever I use the pump, I feel like it's kind of squirty a little bit, like I'm finally getting down to the end, and when I turn it, look how skinny it is. Like, it is getting all the product down the sides of this. So I feel like what's left is just a little bit down here in the bottom. Knowing this product, it will last way longer than I think it will, but I feel like I'm at the end finally with this, so I'm feeling good about that. The highlighter I've been working on is this one from Merit. This is the highlighting balm in the shade Cava. I'm gonna put up a picture compared from last time to this time. I don't know if in the picture there's that much of a difference, so I'll also put up the weight difference. The weight difference is pretty minuscule. There's not much, but I have been using it and enjoying it immensely. Moving on to bronzer. So I just rolled this in last month and I annoyingly forgot to weigh it. It's just so frustrating. I did take a picture though, so I'll take a picture showing you last time to this time. I don't think there's that much of a difference in the picture. I have been using it and I feel like kind of heavy-handed for me. So I know that I'm getting through this. When I finally do see pan on this, it will be a glorious day. Because even though I just rolled it in last month, I did work on it for a time last year. Moving on to my setting spray. This is funny. I've got like the tiniest little line marking on this one. This is from Item Beauty, and this is one of their dewy setting sprays. I knew that I wasn't going to use this much in the month of July. It has been a very hot month, and I have not needed a dewy setting spray at all. I obviously did use it a couple of times, but hopefully I can remember to use it in the evenings. That's usually when I do get any uses in, so I'm gonna try and remember to use this in the evening and hopefully make more progress on it. The lip liner I have been working on is this one from Essence. There's the marking difference from last month to this month, so the progress on this has been super steady all year long, and the pencil really is starting to look like it's got good use on it. It's now a small pencil. I guess I have hope to finish this year. It's unbelievable how long this pencil is taking. When I use it, I tend to fill in my whole lip with it, so I really am not being precious with this product, and it's still taking all year. But again, progress is steady, so that is good. Last month, I had rolled in 2 lip glosses, that little mini Tower 28 one that I finished, and also this one from Kosas. This is the wet lip oil in the shade Malibu. It's honestly more pink than I would normally wear for this time of year. Every time I put it on, I'm like, ooh, it's very like springy. It's not normally what I would wear in the summertime, but I really love the formula. It's a really, really pretty lip product, and I wish that they weren't so expensive. In any case, I feel like I can go through these products pretty quickly. This is my second wet lip oil from Kosas that I have been finishing, and I think I'm right there. It's kind of hard to tell with this product. I'm trying to scrape the sides, and I think, like shining a light through, that I'm about right there. If that's the case, I anticipate being able to finish this by my next update, but it's entirely possible that I'm estimating incorrectly, but I'm really gonna be focusing on this. I'm trying to finish up as many products as lip products as possible this year, so I would be really, really happy if I could finish this in the next month. The brow product I'm working on is from Glossier. This is the Boy Brow. I use the shade Brown. Since this is completely opaque, I will put up on the screen the weight difference for this one. This is another long haul product. I expect it to take a long time, so not really a whole lot to say for this one. I rolled in a new lip balm last month. That would be this Glow Lip Mask from Seraphine Botanicals. This is another long haul product. So when I rolled it in, it was completely full. I was really interested to see how far I could get in a month. I use this every morning and every evening after I brush my teeth, and that's where I am now. So that just shows you that I have a long way to go with this one. Thankfully, it is a nice product, so I don't mind working on it, but this is one of those products that I've had laying around waiting to go into a project, and I've been avoiding it just for the reason that I knew it would take a long time to finish. Anyway, moving on from that, I'm really happy with the progress on this. So this is a honey body oil from the Pink brand from Sephora. No, not Sephora, excuse me. Victoria's Secret. So this is my marking last month, and this is where I am now. Look at that. I have a hope of finishing this in the next month. That is so exciting. I thought for sure it would take me at least 2 more months, and maybe it still will, but I'm gonna try to finish this by the next month. That would make me really happy. All right, that is my update for this month. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'm sorry I'm sounding kind of out of breath and stuffed up, but this cold I have is just hanging on, and I'm like, I didn't want to wait any longer to try and film something. So thanks for watching despite that. Now that we're in the second half of the year, this is when I start finishing up long-term products like foundations and things. So I am really happy to see that coming up soon. I can tell I'm almost there. So thank you so much for sticking around and watching this project. I really, really do appreciate you guys spending your time with me and leaving such positive comments. Thank you again so much, and I will see you hopefully soon in my next video. Bye guys.